Hi, and welcome to PaperG's new co-op offering. PaperG is bringing to you co-op designs across verticals representing major manufacturers like Ford, Genair, KitchenAid, etc., to facilitate a process that has been historically onerous and make it much, much simpler. We're doing the heavy lifting for you, getting you 99% of the way there. So there's no need to build co-op ad designs from scratch, no need to wait for a designer to create a co-op ad for you before, as a sales rep, going out and pitching to a local dealer with co-op funds available. It's all right here in a platform that you can already use to create ads for any kind of local business. We've simply added a co-op ad design tab that contains all of these ad designs, and they're right at your fingertips. So PaperG is creating these ad designs with manufacturer requirements in mind. So whenever you access PaperG's co-op dashboard, you can rest assured that the ads have been updated according to brand requirements, and that when you're ever accessing them, they are compliant. While the ads themselves need to be pre-approved still by the manufacturer, we're really taking you almost 99% of the way there by bringing in assets that are required, like a 2015 model, for instance, in this Honda example, the custom font, marketing text that has been pre-approved. But the beauty of using our platform as opposed to simply downloading a canned banner ad from an ad planner site is that you're able to input your own dealer logo. You're able to input the address information as well as price and custom dealer text. Let me go in and show you how to do that. It's an extremely simple process that requires just a couple of minutes. So it's easy for sales reps to go into the platform, pull up an ad, put in some personalized information for the local dealer, and present it to them, knowing full well that the ad is compliant and it could be run as is immediately after pre-approval. One thing I want to highlight is that once you click on an ad, that is pre-selected based on the name of the dealer that you type in, actually. So I had typed in SF Honda and gotten this ad. You can preview what the ad looks like in action. So we're not creating static ads here. We're creating ads HTML5 across all the standard IAB sizes. And that includes desktop and mobile. Let's go in and see what we can edit. So another positive feature of the PaperG Co-op platform is that we're putting guardrails in place to make sure that you are able to meet the requirements and in the editing process not compromise the co-op compliance of the ad. So in a couple of the frames, you'll notice that there's not much that you can edit. So the elements are locked here. You can put in a dealer logo, however, if you'd like. You may also add dealer text that's customized, as well as the price. In advanced mode, this is where folks who are maybe more comfortable with co-op requirements, perhaps co-op specialists, or if you simply like the design and you'd like to repurpose it and service a dealer and maybe not necessarily meet all the co-op brand requirements, you're able to take a look at all of the elements. There's object-to-object editing on the left-hand side of the screen that exists in the ad. Notice the lock on certain elements. That lock is in place as a guardrail. So if we lock the element, that means it's important to keep in place to maintain co-op compliance. You may always unlock and use your creative license to make as many changes as you'd like, but we're simply putting these guardrails in place to make the process even simpler. So that all you have to do is put in a logo if you'd like, and add some custom text, and you're ready to go. At any given point, you may preview and share the ad with your advertiser to show them what you've been working on. So for instance, if a sales rep were to go to a meeting, sell the idea of running a co-op ad and showing them this ad, and then wants to go and make some changes with the designer based on perhaps a different logo that the dealer wants, or maybe different text that they have come up with, It's easy to share that progress without going into another in-person meeting. What you can simply do is copy and paste a URL that showcases all the different ad sizes, or just one by minimizing these. You can showcase simply just the banner ad. And to do so, you copy and paste the URL, or you can email straight from here. And this applies to desktop and mobile as well. At any given point, you'd like to see what other co-op designs we have available? You go into the gallery. Again, what PaperG is doing is making a historically difficult process much simpler. Instead of having to go to ad planner sites, download PSD files, put together an ad, a process that can take days, you have all these ad designs with pre-approved assets in them, making the process as simple as 1, 2, 3, and would take only a couple of minutes. Only the addition of the dealer text and the logo is required.